Hi, Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Blackberry Thyme sour from the Cocktail Kitchen book. We're going to use cognac as the base in this sour, and it's going to play beautifully with the Blackberry Thyme syrup we made before. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this. This is easily one of our best sour twists we've ever come up with. Cognac will add these elegant fruit flavours to the cocktail. Younger cognacs will work best to highlight the character of the original eau de vie. We'll use a blend of both fresh lime juice and fresh lemon juice for a rounder sort of sourness with a balance of sweetness and acidity. Egg white, or an alternative, is going to give us an iconic foamy head we all know and love from our sours. Blackberry and thyme are a match made in heaven. The dark richness of the blackberry is perfectly complemented by the savouriness of the thyme, combining to create something truly beautiful in this twist. We're going to reverse dry shake this cocktail for style points, but obviously a regular dry shake would also work. We want to emulsify the egg white and properly aerate it for the best quality foam. So don't forget to put your back into the shake to avoid a thin looking head. Fine strain and garnish with a sprig of thyme for extra aroma. And there you have it, the Blackberry and Thyme sour. Enjoy.